Oh no, our truck broke down. We're glad we are in the campground, and then we have some help, our neighbors, and they offered to do this and that, so we are glad. So we are now testing if gonna work.
Alright, and then give it a shot, see what happens. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yep, I know. Okay, hold on. Okay, now do it.
Ay!
Huh.
Little bit?
I don't think so. Huh. Okay, no worries. I don't know why I've never used this before, but that should be, find a solid ground there.
Well, I'm on that foot bolt and everything. You think that's a good enough ground?
Okay,
it on?
hold, nope. This is juicy. Okay, that's got a big, hold on, I got it. I don't have it turned on yet. Make sure we got everything connected.
Yeah, that's what kept happening to me. I had to grab it in the back.
Yeah, that's okay.
Let's see.
Got 12 volt. Oh, are you video? Are you that dead? Let's try it again. Try it again. Okay.
Right, she hates Chevys.
There's the new kit. Is that a starter, Han?
Yeah.
We end up buying a new starter. I hope it works. Ding.
I hope it does too.
Here's the starter that we end up buying a new starter. I hope it works. And the truck will run.
Replaced all this starter.
How do these tighten down?
It worked. It worked. It worked.